Okay, so we're going to talk about how to use different fonts to increase accessibility for your website. So when you go to fonts.google.com, you will see, let me remove everything here. You will see where they say categories, okay? And the category of serif, like we talked about in the lesson, serif means with decoration, okay? And sans serif means without decoration. Now, so serif is like things like cursive and things that have like the letters that are flowing into each other. So in other words, letters that don't go straight up and down. So if I just look at serif, right here, you'll see that some of them have like these letters have little feet on the top and bottom. There are some that are um, more decorative here, where the E's look a little bit more like rounded and the G's have a little tiny foot there. So those fonts are okay, and display fonts and handwriting fonts are okay to be used in a heading tag. Okay. In other words, they're okay to be used in small quantities. But when you are when you're choosing a font for like a larger amount of text, like a paragraph tag, I want you to use these sans serif and monospace fonts, okay? This helps people who have visual disabilities like dyslexia be able to read your script better, okay? It also just overall is a better design choice if you change up, if you like choose two different fonts, one for your heading and then one for your paragraph tag. Overall, these fonts, the sans serif or without decoration, and monospace means that there's the same amount of space between each letter. They're all very helpful for almost everybody to read. Okay, so people could have like poor eyesight. They could have visual disabilities like dyslexia, and it just makes it a lot easier for um, anybody to read. So I want you to use the sans serif and monospace for your paragraph text, and then you are free to use anything else, including serif, display, and handwriting for your heading text, okay? And you remember, just as we've done it before, when you click on one, so if I'm going to use something like a cursive thing, lobster is very popular. So if you're going to use this for your heading text, you would say select, and it goes into a palette right here. And then if I wanted to go out and use a sans serif or monospace for my paragraph, let's say I want to combine it with Ubuntu here, I could select this one. Now this right here goes into the head of your HTML, so you copy this. Okay, and then you go back to your HTML, and on the fan page project, it's line 13 is open for you to paste that in. And then you use each of these separately, like I would copy this and put it into my CSS for my heading tag. And then I would copy this line and put it separately into my paragraph tag. Okay, and then if you have encountered Google Docs or the Google fonts and somebody else has used it before you on the same computer, you can just take these and remove them like this so that you can start your own selection of fonts. And that's it.